Welcome to CET Color's instructional web series on large format digital UV printers. Today we're going to show you how to replace the UV filters. Remember to make sure the printer is turned off. Refer to our instructional video on powering off the printer. Gather your materials. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a UV filter slider. Remove the two UV filters from the front and side of the UV lamp housing and replace with the new UV filters. In order to remove the inside UV filter, remove the front handle by removing the screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the existing UV filter and replace it with the new one using the UV filter slider. Replace the handle. And that's how to properly replace the UV filters on a CET Color large format digital UV printer.